This one has quite a bit of quarter panel damage. So I got this one all fit together.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one has quite a bit of quarter panel damage all throughout here. This is all pushed in from the rear door. Rear door has some minor damage too, and the edge of it's kind of rolled. And then it's also damaged right back in this area where the bumper cover mounts up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this quarter panel and the rear door back into shape and get this one straightened out. So I'm gonna go ahead, I gotta weld a tab right on the edge here in order to bring that out so it's flush with the rear door. Then once I get that out, then I'll go ahead and start working the rest of the outer part of this panel. So I got this one all fit together. Everything's looking good. Tail light lines up good. My bumper cover, it still gets some minor repairs, but it lines up good. And my door gap's looking good as well. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this bumper and tail light back out and start my fill work. Now I have this bumper cover to repair. It got hit right on this side, and it has kind of a bulge right here and right in this area. I'm gonna use my heat gun here to warm it up and work it back into shape.